Welcome to the Grammar Mentor channel. At the Grammar Mentor. Story: The Laughing Detective. In the busy city of Greenford, there lived a detective named Lucy Lane. But Lucy was not an ordinary detective. She solved mysteries with laughter. She believed that if you smile, you see things others miss. One morning, Lucy was reading the newspaper when she found a strange letter hidden inside. The letter said, "Find the missing joke and you will find the missing painting." Lucy laughed. A missing joke? Who hides a joke, she thought. But she loved riddles, so she grabbed her hat, her notebook, and a big cup of coffee, and started her hunt. Her first clue was in a comedy club. There, she found a stand-up comedian who handed her a note. It said, "Go to the library. Look behind the funniest book." At the library, Lucy looked in the humor section. Behind an old book of jokes, she found another clue. Why did the painting cross the road? To hide in the park. Lucy giggled at the silly clue. She ran to the city park, where children were playing, dogs were barking, and an old man was sitting on a bench, laughing while feeding pigeons. Lucy asked him, "Did you see a painting here?" The old man pointed at the big fountain. Lucy looked behind it, and there it was. The missing painting wrapped in plastic, hidden safely behind the water. When Lucy turned around to thank the old man, he was gone, but there was a note on the bench. "Keep laughing, Detective Lane. The world needs more smiles." Lucy smiled and laughed loudly. She knew her job was not just about solving crimes, it was about making the world a happier place, one joke at a time. New words. Detective, someone who solves mysteries. Clue, a piece of information that helps you solve something. Comedy club, a place where people tell jokes on stage. Stand-up comedian, a person who tells jokes to an audience. Fountain, a structure that sends water into the air. Riddle, a question or puzzle that needs to be solved. Questions. 1. What made Lucy different from other detectives? 2. Where did Lucy find her first clue? 3. What was hidden behind the fountain? 4. Who do you think the old man was? 5. What lesson did Lucy learn at the end? Practice tip. Write your answers in English. Try reading the story aloud. It will help your pronunciation and fluency.